Hello students, welcome to PW Gulf. I am Tanya and yes, today we are going to talk about one very important exam, that is NSEJS. Certainly I'll share a lot of information. Of course, I'll talk about the eligibility, who all can attempt for the exam. Now, what is the syllabus? Certainly this year where the exam is going to take place and who is the authority who are going to conduct this exam. So talking about NSEJS 2023, of course we are going to talk about how you can prepare. Now there are a lot of kids those who are actually attempting for the exam this year. So all the best to all the kids, those who want to attempt and certainly those who are preparing for it for next year. So everyone, now let me share the important information. I'll talk about the paper pattern, that okay, how the paper will be there. Then of course I'll talk about syllabus, eligibility, the most important thing, that okay, who all can attempt the exam. Moreover, what is the criteria and what are some important information regarding this. Then of course exam level, registration and timetable. So everyone, we usually think that okay, I am giving school exam, right? And I will focus on the school exam. But what about these Olympiads? What about these extra exams that I can attempt and my basic and my syllabus should remain same? I need not study something extra, but yes, my basic should remain same and certainly I can attempt those Olympiads also. And there are some students those who will think that certainly I am preparing for the exam, but certainly what are the exams I can attempt? So of course, with this thought in mind, of course, we are here to help you all out, to make you aware regarding these different exams, regarding some Olympiads, so that you don't miss out on anything and you have ample of information and guidance. Certainly, we are here to guide you. So without any further ado, let me start and let me share that what this exam is and who all can attempt the exam. So let's start with the first thing, that is NSEJS. What does it stand for? So have a look over here. National Standard Examination in Junior Scientific, certainly in sciences. When we talk about this exam, that is National Standard Examination in Junior Scientific, is a science Olympiad, as the name indicates, everyone. So yes, lot of kids, they actually talk about that, okay, Junior Scientist Olympiad, that is the same only. Okay, now certainly talking about, okay, from which year? So in the year 1987, it was held for the first time. 1987. So 2023, 1987, yes, from past lot of years, this exam has been conducted. Okay, talking about the association, who all are the ones also organize this exam. Talking about, yes, one of the most difficult exam. All of you, yes, the most difficult national scientific exam. Yes, here one key point, if you are thinking that okay, I need not study anything and of course I am just studying the normal basic things up and I will go and attempt, of course it will be a difficulty for you. So yes, it is one of the most difficult national scientific exam. Now, offered by who? Who all are offering it? So yes, APT, Indian Association of Physics Teacher. They are the ones, those who actually are there, the whole association we talk about. Okay, now this year NSEJS 2023-2024, yes, is held in collaboration with HBCSE, that is Homi Bhabha Center for Science Education. Now talking about the date is November 26, 2023. This year, yes, if you want to attempt the exam, yes, you are a bit late because the registration has been closed. But yes, for next year, I am making you aware that exactly everyone, the registration will begin in August only. So you can register yourself in the next year itself. Okay, so yes, here I am giving you all information so that you are well prepared and certainly you are not missing out on anything. Okay, but this year, of course, November 26, 2023. Okay, now IJSO, this year it is held in Thailand, and see, have a look over here, the logo is also here. Okay, now this is the basic, that okay, what exactly this NSEJS is. Talking about Here, let's have the exam detail and an overview that okay, how this exam will be there, what are the particulars. So everyone, time duration. The time limit for NSE in the junior science test is 2 hours. So of course, you will be given 2 hours. Okay, number of questions. Yes, subject everyone, physics, chemistry, biology, and you need not miss out on maths. So of course, maths will also be there. Okay, yes, over here there will be 80 MCQ questions. MCQs are certainly there. In NSEJS, there is a negative marking format also. For each wrong response, 1 mark will be deducted. Okay, the NSEJS syllabus is quite similar to your CBSE 10th grade syllabus, everyone. See, 10th grade only. Okay, now the NSEJS has a total score of 240. So this is the basic exam detail and overview that okay, how the exam will look like, moreover what are the type of questions, what is basic syllabus. Okay, the subject, okay, that is physics, chemistry, biology and mathematics. Yeah, now let's talk about, yes, the stages. So everyone, NSEJS is the first stage. Right, so yeah, top 300 students, okay, from ample of the kids, thousands of the kids, right, from top 300 will be selected, and yes, they are going to send to INJSO. Okay, from there, yes, top 35 students, they are going to be selected, and then of course top 6 are going to be selected for the OCSC. Yeah, that is the third tier, the third stage. Okay, after that, of course, over there PDT, the whole training of the 6 members, okay, 6 members, they are going to be trained thoroughly. Okay, then okay, how the concepts are there, all the training, yeah, that would be provided to them. Okay, pre-departure training, that is, yeah. Then IJSO, the Olympiad, yes, then of course the top 3 certainly selected from here, they will be sent for the IJSO, that is the actual international Olympiad that takes place. So yeah, these are nothing but the basic stages. Okay, here also, yes, kids perform, those who actually perform, they are only selected. Okay, very difficult scenario, but yes, the stages are pretty much, I believe, clear to all of you. Okay, now moving ahead with the stage, everyone, let's have a look on your steps to register for the NSEJS. Yes, over here, first of all, the application form is there. So, of course, what you want to do is, yes, you have to fill out the application form following the steps. First of all, yes, you need to identify the nearest NSE exam center in your city or neighborhood. You can find a comprehensive list of all the NSE centers. Have a look. The list PDF link is also here provided. So you can have a look over here, right? With the address and the phone numbers are also provided. Okay. So of course, I will also attach that there. Okay. In the videos link also, you can have a look. Okay. Now then step 2 is after locating the center, contact the center coordinator. So yes, you need to talk about contacting. Okay. And who? Center coordinator. Yeah. Who will provide you with the NSEJS application form. Once you receive the form, fill it out and submit the NSEJS. Of course, 2023 and 2024 application. Right now we are talking about. Alright, although the exam, right, the registration actually begins in the August only. Yeah, so you have to be very quick in the next year if you are planning. Okay, now during the registration process, students have the option to select their preferred language. Everyone, those who are thinking, ma'am, I want to give the exam in Hindi, I want to give the exam in English, of course you can. Okay, so either Hindi or English, Okay, additionally, the exam fee must be paid before the specified deadline through a center login. Yes, you need to pay the amount of the application fee itself for the registration process as such. Okay, exam fee. Yeah, now let's have a look on the eligibility that okay, who all are eligible. Of course, we are talking about the exam, right? You are also preparing. Certainly, who all are eligible. So, you should currently be in high school. Okay, specifically in the 10th grade or lower. 10th grade or lower. So, everyone, those who are thinking that okay, I'm in 11th, right? No. Yes, 10th grade or lower. Fine. Now, you must not be expected to pass your 10th grade before November. So yes, this is a very important criteria. Eligibility, allow the participation through your school or independently. Okay, verify your eligibility as any unethical behavior indicating you don't meet your age, grade requirement lead to instant disqualification. So everyone, yes, you have to be very, very careful with your age and those specifications, right? Now, your birth date should fall between January 1, 2009 and December 31st, 2010. Fine. Now, please note that NSEJS is exclusively for Indian residents. Okay, yes, you should be an Indian resident. Yeah, of course, your passport and everything, those should be there with you. Okay, now in the same year as NSEJS, you must not participate in any other exam like NSEA, NSEB, NSEC or NSEP. Of course, I will bring out, the videos for NSEA, NSEB, NSEC and NSEP so that you get the clarity that, okay, what these exams are, how you can actually attend for them, you can go for them, okay, and what are the advantages of it. So, of course, I'll come for that. But everyone, the same year, if you are giving NSEJS, you cannot attempt for them. Okay, normal eligibility, of course, yes, if you are eligible, please go ahead. See, these kind of exams, everyone, they give us a confidence boost. Certainly, the gold medal and everything, they are separate, but here's the confidence boost. No, the boost that you actually get that, okay, you were there and you were representing something, and of course, you attempted, and you, even though you are participating, that is a big deal because this is one of the most difficult exams, all of you. So, even if you have actually cleared a single stage, yes, you are there. Yeah, so yes, you have given your best, that only matters. But of course, these things, they help you in your confidence boost, in your personality development, and of course, your studies academically, of course, it is going to help you. Okay. Now, qualification of NSEJS. Yes, there is a merit index, everyone. So, yes, in my other videos also, I had a word on that. Let me give you a small brief. So, what happens, the type of score? See, here, let's say a normal thing, right? Merit index MI is basically taken. 80% of the average score of top 10 students are taken. So, everyone, top 10 kids, right? Their 80% has been actually taken, and that is your merit index. So, you should meet that. Okay. Similarly, minimal admissible score. 50% of average score of the top 10 students, they are taken. Okay, so yes, minimum and maximum, this has been actually given to us because of the top 10 kids only. Okay, so they are the ones, they are 80% and they are only 50%. Okay, they are only going to make up the mark. Yeah, certainly merit index and minimum admissible score. Okay, so number of students, of course, when we talk about, yes, INJSO, yeah, number of students are 300 and cutoff goes region wise only. Okay, so you need not worry on that part. Yeah, now let's have a look at the syllabus. So, of course, this plays a very, very vital role. Yeah, you want to study, and those who are preparing only, this is also for you. You can also have a look, right, at what you are studying, whether it is perfect or not. So, talking about physics, everyone, light, sound, electricity, work power energy, magnetism, gravitation, simple harmonic motion, fluid flotation, force, heat, radiation. Moreover, see, have a look on the common topics as well. Okay, so I'm not going into that, but yes, this would be available to you. You can have a look on it. Then rectilinear motion with the velocity motion, Newton's law, that is basic. Yeah, unit dimension, electrostatics, this also holds a lot of importance. Okay, now talking about, yes, the other subjects, let's have a look at mathematics, permutation, combination, arithmetic progression, area of parallelogram, triangle, yeah, circle, geometry progression, quadratic equation, linear equation, number system, quadrilateral, ratio and proportion, trigonometry. This is the thing that you have studied, probably you are studying, right? If you are there in 10th, right? So, you are studying. So, this is all the same. Yeah. Now, yes, chemistry, acid, bases and salt, analytical chemistry, metal, non-metal, mole concept, carbon, study of gas laws, equivalent concept, periodic table and periodicity, all the syllabus of your 10th only. So, need not worry, 10 students. Yeah, moreover, if you are there in 9th, yeah, and 8th, basics are pretty much the same only. Yes, in your school also you are studying the same. Talking about the books, follow your NCERT. Yes, NCERT would be your base. Then, of course, for, you can go ahead with the, HC Verma. Certainly for subject-wise, you can move ahead. But yes, the NCERT is your base here. Okay, then biology, biodiversity, biotech, GMC, that is genetically modified crop. Okay, control and coordination, of course, here your systems are there, cell biology, human health and diseases, reproduction, hereditary and evolution, microbes and human welfare. Basically, yes, yes, what you are studying, that only you have to study. Okay, like in all that we are talking about. Okay, now, so what are the details to be filled? So if you are filling out any application form, there are some basic details that you need to fill. Okay, now those who are thinking that okay, this exam will be too much for me, everyone, you have to be confident, right? By giving these exams, yes, you are going to succeed every time. That is not the major thing. Okay, see, you are attempting, you are giving out your best. That is also, that is also a thing that you should look upon, because from there only your path to succeed is going to be through. Yeah, and moreover, here also at PW Gulf as such, if I'm talking about, yes, our major concern is that, okay, a lot of information, whatever thing that is there, we can actually come up with them, we can come up with the video so that you guys are made aware of the different exams happening around you, certainly different type of, courses around you, of course, so that all such knowledge, right, that if even if you are lacking somewhere, we can work with that. So everyone, yes, if you are there in 8th and 9th, and yes, you will be moving to 10th or 9th, right? Yes, think over it, go ahead. I will bring out another videos and some more videos with the comparison and with some other Olympiad exam that can be beneficial for you. Okay, moreover, yes, you are studying the same thing, that is only going to help you for your school exams as well. Ultimately, school exam, right? So yeah, that is going to help you over there also, and boards also. So need not worry and just gain lot of information. Whatever doubts and queries are there, feel free to share it up with me there in the comment section, and of course I would be very happy that okay, you guys are having a look over it and I can be helpful for you. Okay, coming back to the details, of course students must correctly fill out the form and name of the candidate, class, gender, father's name, the mother name, and of course date of birth, certainly subject, name and location of the school, students, mailing address. These are the basic information you should fill out correctly. Okay, so I hope, yes, I was helpful to you, and I want all of you to please go ahead and look on to this exam, and any doubts and queries, feel free to share it with me. So all of you, thank you so much and keep on learning.